Friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss partial differential equation theory plus example. This I hope that everybody can get help from my YouTube channel, because I also used, or I also describe shortcut method. Now I discuss variation of parameter. Variation of parameter. Variation of parameter. So friends, you can get a lot of books and you can see a lot of techniques. I will teach a very short process. Okay, so that's why I describe everything very short way. Consider second order linear differential equation, linear differential equation y double dash plus a1 y dash plus a0 y is equal to rx. So Rx does not equals to 0. Rx does not equals to 0. And complete solution, then the complete solution of this is the equation 1. I write solution of above differential equation is y is equal to c1y y1 plus c2 y2 plus u y1 plus v y2. I can write the equation of this linear. I can write this equation solution of this c1 y1 c2 y2 plus u y1 plus v y2. So friends, where u is equal to minus y2x w y1 y2 in rx dx, and v is equal to y1 w y1 comma y2 rx dx. This is the u and this is v. So friends, very simple this trick. This is the short trick, friends, and a lot of way, you know, a lot of tough way also, but this short trick you can use in competitive examinations. So one of the example, I start one example. Example is y double dash plus y is equal to sec x. So friends, how can you will solve AE according to my AE? M square plus 1 is equal to 0, and that implies M equals to plus minus I. So YC is equal to complementary function CF, means complementary function is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x, where the Wronskian is Wronskian, here y1 is equal to cos x and sin x is equal to y2, and Wronskian is equal to the w is equal to y1 and y2, y1 dash y2 dash, very simple Wronskian. So my equation is cos x sin x, and it is minus sin x cos x, and whatever I get Wronskian is equal to 1. So u is equal to u and fx is equal to, in here fx, comparing this equation, rx, in here rx is equal to sec x, and u is equal to minus y2 into w into y1 comma y2 into rx dx, and y2 is equal to, what is the value of the y2 is equal to sin x minus sin x, and rx is equal to sec x dx, and wy1 y2 is equal to 1. So whatever I get minus tan x dx, and tan x is equal to, integration of tan x is equal to log cos x, because integration of tan x is equal to sec x and minus log sec x is equal to log cos x. And similarly number v, y1 is equal to w y1 comma y2 rx dx, and y1 is equal to in here cos x into sec x dx is equal to x. So friends, my equation yp is equal to particular integral yp is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus log cos x into cos x, because whatever u is equal to, whatever I get u is equal to log cos x, and u y1, and my equation is u y1 in here cos x, and in here also cos x. So log cos x plus x sin x, this is my answer. Now I discuss self-adjoint equation. Self-adjoint equation. If the coefficient a0x, a1x and a2x in the differential equation a0x y double dash a1x y dash plus a2x y equals to 0, where a less than equals to x less than equals to b, and a0x does not equals to does not equals to 0 on a less than equals to x less than equals to b. So friends, according to the questions, above defeated equation is self-adjoint equation. Above this equation is adjoint equation. Above differential equations can be transformed into the self-adjoint equation if Rx y dash plus Px y equals to 0. So Rx in here, Rx is nothing. Rx is e to the power a1x divided by a0x into dx. Must remember this, friends. This is very, very important. Okay, this formula a1x this y dash, coefficient of the y dash, and divide by coefficient of the double y dash a0x, and px x is equal to a2x divided by a0x. Very simple. A0x you will divide it y double dash plus a1x divided by a0x y dash, and a2x divided by a0x x into y equals to 0. So friends, if this equation you will see, this Rx value is the coefficient of the e to the power this formula, e to the power p, this coefficient Rx, and px is equal to this, and I can write this way, Rx y dash and y double dash, this way I can write. Then the equation is self-adjoint equation. So one of the example I will go one example. This example is very simple. I take x square y double dash minus 2x y dash plus 2y equals to 0. Now let's see, a0x is equal to, in here, x square, and a1x so into and transform it. Question is transform it into an self-adjoint equation. A1x is equal to minus 2x and a2x is equal to 2. So whatever I get Rx is equal to e to the power integration a1x divided by a2x a0x dx is equal to e to the power 2x divided by x square dx is equal to whatever I get 1 by x e to the power, cut e to the power log x to the power minus 2. So I get 1 by x square Rx value. And next value whatever I get, px value I get px value I have told, oh sorry, this formula is wrong, Rx into a2x divided by a0x into Rx. So px value whatever I get, px value is equal to 2 by x square a2x divided by a2x divided by a0x into rx is equal to 1 by x square. So you can get 2 by x to the power 4. So my required self adjoint equation, I have to just transform from adjoint equation. Self adjoint equation is equal to 1 by x square y dash, 1 by x square y dash dash plus 2 by x to the power 4 y is equal to 0. So this is my answer, and I give one example, self adjoint equations. Next, problem is Sturm Liouville problem. Sturm Liouville problem. Sturm Liouville problem is SLP problem. Sturm Liouville problem means boundary homogeneous. Sturm SLP problem is a homogeneous boundary problem. Homogeneous boundary problem. So friends, homogeneous boundary problem means Rx, I can write Rx y dash plus Qx plus lambda px into y equals to 0. And where boundary condition I can write alpha 1 ya plus alpha 2 y dash a plus beta 1 yb and beta 2 y dash b. They are boundary condition. So properties of the Sturm Liouville problem. Parties of Sturm Liouville, Liouville problem. Properties of Sturm Liouville problem. Sturm Liouville problem means the eigenvalue of SLP are real and non-negative. Number 1, the eigenvalue of a SLP are real and non-negative. And number 2, the eigenvalue flows lambda 1 less than lambda 2 less than lambda 3 lambda dot up to infinity, then such that limit n tends to infinity, lambda n equals to infinity. Number 3. Next I am going to number 3. Number 3 is for each lambda I in SLP. Lambda I in SLP, there exists one and only one linearly independent eigenfunction. Number 4, the set of eigenfunction eigenfunctions yi x of s l p are the set of eigenfunctions y I x s l p are orthogonal with respect to px. Px is this portion is px y dash and qx plus lambda px y. Then whatever I get, it is a to b px ymx and ynx dx is equal to 0. This is the orthogonal property. Property means this is the orthogonal. Example number 1, y double dash plus lambda y is equal to 0, and where also boundary value ya a and equals to yb equals to 0. 0 is the simplest form of SLP, is the simplest form of SLP. So friends, whatever this is the one of the example, and number 2 example of the SLP. Number 2 is x y dash whole dash plus x square plus 1 plus lambda e to the power x y equals to 0. Sturm-Liouville problem I will solve. One problem I want to solve, but this is a very lengthy then I will not complete. I will not go another green functions. I will okay. This is Sturm-Liouville problem. My target is some theory I will discuss, and I will discuss again Sturm-Liouville problem another most way. I just discuss theory, all of the theories, because this is the very important. Theory is very important. Next is green function. Green function is very important. Green function is very important chapter, as we discuss Sturm-Liouville theorem. So we have to know green function, because green functions is very important for partial differential equations. So friends, consider a linear homogeneous differential equation, DE differential equation of order n, green function of order n, and where L y equals to 0. and L equals to whatever I can write, L equals to P0x x dx to the power n plus P1x plus d to the power n minus 1 dx to the power n minus 1 dx to the power n minus 1 plus up to Pnx. This is the L. And P0x, P1x, P0x, suppose P0x, P1x up to Pnx, Nx are continuous. Must remember this is continuous. Green functions. Continuous on A, B, and P0x does not equals to 0 on A, B. P0x does not equals to 0 and boundary conditions. Friends, I just discussed theory. I will also solve a lot of problems based on Sturm-Liouville theorem and green functions. But today I want to discuss only theory. I will okay. That's why I just discussed only theory questions and give also with example some. I give also example. Okay, and boundary conditions are beta k y is equal to 0 and where k equals to 1, 2, up to n, and beta k y is equal to summation alpha k whole to the power n minus 1 y to the power n minus 1 a and plus summation beta k whole to the power n minus 1 y to the power n minus 1 into b. This is the way you can write. It is the boundary condition, and must remember b where the linear forms b1, b2, up to bn in ya, y dash a and y double dash a. This is the way, and up to and y n minus 1 a and y dash b up to y n minus 1 b are linearly independent. Linearly independent vector. Linearly independent. So if the homogeneous boundary value problem trivial solutions yx is equal to 0. If the homogeneous, this is the very, very important note. Okay, important concept. This is the concept. If the homogeneous boundary value problem this equation, this is the homogeneous boundary value problem, equation 1 has only a trivial solution yx is equal to 0, trivial solution, then the Green's function gx comma t constructed. Okay, Green's condition of the Green's functions means must remember the boundary value problem has also a trivial solution. Must remember if trivial solutions exist, then Green functions constructed. Then Green function constructed. Then Green's function constructed for any point. For any point, this open interval means a less than t less than b. This is any open interval, okay, and bvp. This is the main concept, friends. Green function exists. When Green function exists, when the trivial solutions exist. If trivial solution does not exist, then Green function is not exist. Yeah, this is the main concept. If you understand, then this is a lot of university ask, determine the Green function exist or not. Then you have to find out that you have to show that this solution has a trivial solutions. Then it is Green functions exist. Number 1 condition: in each of the interval a comma t and t comma b, the function gxt considered as a function of x. Function of x is a solution of equation 1, that is LG equals to 0. Number 2 is that gxt is continuous in x for fixed t and has continuous derivative with respect to x up to order n minus 2 inclusive. And another is that must remember this formula is very, very important. This formula is del to the power n minus 1 del x to the power n minus 1 gx to x comma t, and where x is equal to t plus 0 and minus del to the power n minus 1 del x to the power n minus 1 g x comma t, where x is equal to t minus 0, and we get 1 minus 1 comma p0 t minus 1 comma 1 by p0 t. And must remember n minus 1th derivative of gxt with respect to x, derivative derivative, and discontinuity first kind, and discontinuity, this continuity we are going to a constructions, green functions constructions. Because we learn theory, so we have to learn how to construct a green functions. Here also the constructing green functions function particular case I will discuss A to Z. First, this is the question is u double dash plus lambda y u is equal to 0 is equal to x, and u 0 and u pi by 2 is equal to 0. U double dash plus lambda u is equal to x. So friends, whatever we have to see, we have to justifications that it is trivial solution or not. Simple case, it is trivial solutions. Y double dash I can write plus lambda u minus x is equal to 0, and it is the main fact that you can write whatever I have to write it ux is equal to u double dash x lux means, and phi x is equal to lambda ux minus x, and this case is particular case. This case I discuss, whatever I discuss, this is the particular case I discuss. I want to discuss particular case, and L ux and plus phi x is equal to 0, and according to the green functions, you have to take L ux is equal to 0, so u double dash x is equal to 0, and ux is equal to ax plus b I get. And another fact is u0 is equal to 0 and u pi by 2 is equal to 0. That implies ux is equal to 0, and hence whatever I get a trivial solutions, trivial case. Therefore green function exists. This proof green function exists. This hence I can write, hence green function, I will write green function exists. So whatever I get, u0 is equal to 0 and then b is equal to 0. So whatever I get u is equal to ux is equal to ax. Put this value in here. u0 is equal to 0, then b is equal to 0. So my value is ux is equal to x. I can write u1x is equal to x, u1x is equal to x, and another that for u pi by 2 equals to 0, whatever I get a pi by 2 plus b is equal to 0. Then whatever I get a is equal to minus 2b by pi I get, and ux is equal to minus 2b by pi x plus b, and I get 1 minus 2 by pi x into b. So in case I write for b is equal to 1, so whatever I get u2x is equal to pi minus 2x divided by pi, and another is w is equal to u1 t and u2 u2t, u1t and u2t and u1 dash t and u2 dash t. So whatever I get this is a Wronskian. Wronskian I get the, according to my question, Wronskian is equal to 1 minus 2 by pi into t and 1 minus 2 by pi. W is equal to, so I get minus 1. Wronskian is equal to minus 1. So PT is equal to 1 and C is equal to, according to the questions, PT is equal to, in here PT is equal to 1. Whatever the comparing, my comparing is my partial particular case is particular case for Liouville theorem. My L is LOI plus phi x is equal to 0. LOI is equal to phi x is equal to 0. Then L is equal to dtx into p into d by dx dx p into d by dx plus q. This is the L values. So friends, L is equal to this and this is the p for in here, and where L is equal to p for this. In case of p is p, in case of this y double dash means in case pt is equal to 1. So according to and w is equal to minus 1. So green function is my gxt is equal to x into 1 minus 2t by pi and 1 minus 2x divided by pi. Note, px y dash x dash plus qx yx plus rx is equal to 0. This is the equation, and it can be write as lyx x plus phi x. I can write it in this way: lyx plus phi x, where L is equal to px y dash x dash y dash x dash, I can write, and plus q. This is the L values, and phi x is equal to rx. Phi x is equal to rx. So our Green's functions will be gx comma t is equal to minus y1x in y2 dash y2t divided by w, and minus y2x and y1x y1t divided by c, where x less than t and where x greater than t. In this case, friends, must remember y1 means x. In here u1x is equal to x, u1 means y1, u1 x, and u2 is this, means u2 means in here green functions will be, I can write u1x u2t divided by w minus c and w into pt, and in here u1t and u2x divided by w into pt. So friends, W is equal to 1, P2 is equal to 1. So my answer U1t into U2x, U1x into U2t. Thank you for watching.